In Raichur district, at Government Model Higher Primary School, Yeklaspura, something extraordinary is happening every day. This is not just a classroom. It is a space where an entire cabinet operates. Yeklaspura is one of Prayoga's Kriya schools. Here, experiential learning is part of everyday's life.
ದಿನಾಲು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ತರಗತಿಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ನನಗೇನಂದ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸಕ್ತಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ.
Students learn with materials in our lab stations. They explore Courseware designed by Prayoga. They question, test and discover concepts don't stay in textbooks. They come alive in their hands. This transformation is made possible by Prayoga with the support of the SBI Foundation and SBI Mutual Funds, bringing meaningful science education to rural classrooms. When we visited the school for Kalyana Karnataka's field shoot, we expected experiments, but we met the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, the Food Minister, the Health Minister, the Travel Minister and an entire cabinet. But this was not the State Assembly, it was a classroom. Through role play and collaborative inquiry, students were exploring governance, responsibility, systems and science. They were understanding the world. This is our vision to make learning deeply experiential, deeply meaningful and deeply empowering. This is our mission to ensure that every child, regardless of geography, should think, lead and grow. Because when a classroom becomes a laboratory of ideas, children step into roles of leadership. And in government schools like these, the future is not waiting to happen. The students' assembly is already in session.